The Harley-Davidson X440T has finally been launched on 6 December 2025. It carries forward the essence of a modern retro roadster with a hint of cruiser attitude, designed to deliver relaxed riding experience while still feeling fresh and practical for daily use. Built on the same platform as the original X440 introduced in July 2023, it retains the strengths of the earlier model, which was praised for its engine performance but also criticized for its rare styling, basic electronics, and slightly unrefined ergonomics. The X440T exists because Harley-Davidson and Hero MotoCorp paid attention to that feedback. Rather than replacing the bike or doing just a simple cosmetic update, they have rolled out a meaningful facelift with better features and improvements, all while keeping the strong mechanical core that riders appreciated. The rear subframe and tail section have been reshaped to give the bike better proportions and a sharper, more premium look. Ergonomics have also taken a step forward with a redesigned seat, improved pillion grab rails, and a wider, more comfortable handlebar for a better riding posture. The X440T also introduces technology that the previous model simply did not offer. Ride-by-wire now unlocks multiple riding modes, traction control, and even the option to disable rear ABS when needed. There is also an emergency braking alert system, adding another layer of safety and making the motorcycle feel more advanced and better suited for modern riders. If we talk about the brand's history, Harley-Davidson, founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, stands as one of the world's oldest and most iconic motorcycle brands, famous for its V-twin cruisers, strong design identity, emotional connection, and premium positioning. However, in India, its import-heavy strategy struggled as the big bike market slowed down. This eventually led to Harley's temporary exit from local operations in 2020 and created the need for a new approach, one that resulted in a strategic partnership with Hero MotoCorp to bring local manufacturing, sensible pricing, and a fresh direction for the brand in India. The X440 platform was born from this collaboration, blending Harley's signature design language with Hero's engineering and production strength. Harley contributed the styling cues, brand DNA, riding character, and engine concept to ensure the motorcycle still carried the Harley feel. Meanwhile, Hero focused on localization, engineering refinement, manufacturing processes, cost optimization, and building the after-sales network. The mission was clear: create a Harley that Indians could afford, maintain, and ride every day. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Before we move ahead, here is a quick question for you. Hero has used the same X440 engine and chassis in one of their bikes. Can you guess which one it is? Is it A. Karishma XMR, B. X-Pulse, C. Extreme, or D. Maverick? Drop your answers in the comments and I will like the correct one. Moving back to the topic, if we talk about customer feedback on the bike, owners and riders generally appreciate the bike for its engine character and everyday practicality. Many highlight the strong, torquey low-end performance that gives a confident feel in city traffic and makes relaxed highway cruising enjoyable. Riders also mention that once you get used to the seating and posture, the bike feels comfortable and easy to live with on a daily basis. However, the most common complaints seen across owner discussions and long-term reviews point to fit and finish issues and noticeable vibration. People often mention minor quality inconsistencies like uneven panel gaps, small rattles, and vibrations becoming more prominent at higher revs. Another recurring criticism is the firm front suspension, which some riders feel is too stiff for slow-speed city roads, reducing comfort in congested traffic. The service experience is largely seen in a positive light, mainly because Hero MotoCorp's involvement brings a far wider dealership and service network, easier access to spare parts, and noticeably lower running costs compared with fully imported premium motorcycles. Many customers appreciate the friendly, well-trained staff at several service centers and value the affordability of locally produced parts and routine maintenance. Still, consistency remains the key variable. Some owners report delays in resolving unusual electrical issues or occasional unsatisfactory dealer interactions, suggesting that the quality of problem solving can differ from one location to another, especially when it comes to diagnosing more complex electronic faults. Talking about the competitors, this segment has some strong machines, each with its own personality. The Harley-Davidson X440T stands out with its muscular feel and a top speed of around Rs 150 km/h, positioned at Rs 2.79 lakh ex-showroom for riders who love a bold road presence heavy motorcycle. Moving to the Guerrilla 450, it pushes up to about 160 km/h and is built for energetic, spirited riding, offering a solid value package at Rs 2.72 lakh ex-showroom for those who want a modern lively performer. Then there is the Triumph Speed 400, known for its sharp acceleration and refined 160 km/h top speed, making it one of the most thrilling bikes in this class. At Rs 2.33 lakh ex-showroom, it delivers premium quality at the most accessible price point. Finally, the Dominar 400 also hits the 160 km/h mark but focuses more on stability and long distance touring comfort. With a price tag of Rs 2.39 lakh ex-showroom, it appeals to riders who want a capable tourer without compromising on power. Moving on to the specification, under the tank, this bike is powered by a 440cc single-cylinder air-oil-cooled engine that delivers a power of 27 HP at 6000 rpm and a strong 38 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm, paired with a 6-speed gearbox for easy and confident riding. It runs a solid suspension setup featuring 43 mm KYB UHD forks at the front with 130 mm of travel, while the rear uses gas-charged twin shocks with 7-step preload adjustability to fine-tune comfort. The bike also packs modern features like a 3.5-inch TFT display for infotainment and essential ride information. With a ground clearance of 170 mm and a long 1418 mm wheelbase, it feels stable and well balanced on the road. And for longer trips, the 13.5-liter fuel tank ensures you can ride further without frequent stops. So that's everything we have got on this bike. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me bring more content like this to you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.